Our Strawberry Cheesecake French Toast. Yum. Creamy and dreamy. In order to make a cheesecake, you usually have to have a base crust, and it's usually graham crackers. And so here's our graham crackers all crushed up, because we're going to add that to our mixture. Okay. Now we're going to work on our cream cheese here. We're going to add some powdered sugar to our cream cheese. Going to add two tablespoons of powdered sugar to our cream cheese. Okay. We're going to add a little bit of cinnamon. Just like a little hint, little dash. Okay, and we're going to add some vanilla to it as well. About a little less than a capful. Okay, so it's not a full capful, it's more like half here. And we're going to add just 2 squirts of lemon juice. And here's my rubber spatula. Make sure your cream cheese is softened so you can kind of see what I'm doing. Move some of these things out of my way. Make sure your cream cheese is softened. And so you now want to mix this all up, incorporate it. So that's going to be like your filling for inside your cream cheese, along with some strawberries that I diced up. So I just want to kind of mix this first, and then I will fold in the strawberry. And if you feel it's a little too sweet, how you can cut that sweetness is adding just another squirt or 2 of the lemon juice. So now I'm adding my strawberries to our cream cheese base filling. Just gonna gently fold that. So I have 3 eggs here that I'm gonna whisk and add the cinnamon. So this is probably about nothing's come out yet. That's like 1/8 of a teaspoon. 1, 2 tablespoons of cane sugar. And I'm going to do a capful, which is 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, pure vanilla extract here. We're going to whisk those before we get into adding our heavy cream and our milk. Now I'm going to add my heavy cream. So that is about a cup. And a little bit of my milk here. And that is about 1/2 cup. I think I'm going to add just a little bit more liquid, just so I can make sure I have enough. So now, that was like another 3/4 cups, and the rest of this here. Just like when you make a natural cheesecake, your base is the graham cracker. So we have the graham cracker being the base here. And I just kind of like just sprinkled it with my hands and just spread it out on the brioche bread. Now, you know, when you're making such a French toast like this, a little kind of fancier fresh toast. You want to have a nice bread. So brioche definitely is the bread you'd like to have. But again, I always say this, use what you have. If you don't have brioche, that's okay. Use your Wonder Bread, use your Nature's Own, use whatever you have at home. Now, I'll be honest and say that it won't taste as, decadent, but it still will taste delicious and good. Whatever works for you. So if you have this bread at home, the brioche, or you can go out and get it, wonderful. But if you can't, that's okay too. Do not feel like you can't do this. You absolutely can. And use what you have, like I always say. So this is like we're making our cheesecake. This is our base. And here's our filling that we're going to put here. Okay. Use what you have, always. Okay, so I am spreading out while I'm carefully watching our French toast. Who I'm going to put on our spreadsheet. So here is our filling, our strawberry filling. So now that we have our filling here, we're going to, still my dry hand, we're going to spread our graham cracker on here. I just carefully watch your French toast that you have on your cast iron or your skillet, whichever you're using. Okay, and then you're just going to put it together. Okay. And you'll put this one together as well. Okay, and we'll wait to get that off. I put my filling in here. And now I'm going to dip it in the egg mixture. Now, I will tell you, myself personally, when I do French toast, I'm not one of those people that just cook my French toast on the stovetop and voila, we're finished. I don't like to taste uncooked eggs unless I want to have sunny side eggs. With that said, that means I always finish it off in the oven. After I do the stovetop and allow it to get color, I usually put it in the oven for like another 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so I'm flipping our French toast. Look at a beautiful color right here. Just let it dry up and then get in the oven and we'll be eating soon. Our Strawberry Cheesecake French Toast has brioche bread, folic acid, iron, niacin, riboflavin, thiamine, cream cheese, A, D, calcium and phosphorus, vanilla extract, B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, powdered sugar, A, C, D, calcium, iron, and potassium, eggs, A, B2, B5, B6, B12, E, D, K, and iron. Heavy cream, A, D, and calcium, evaporated milk, A, D, and calcium, butter, A, B12, D, E, and K2, graham crackers, calcium, potassium, magnesium, iron, zinc, and selenium. Strawberries, C, K, and magnesium. Cane sugar, A, B1, B2, B6, C, niacin, pantothenic acid. Cinnamon, A, and iron. Maple syrup, B2, B5, B6, calcium, iron, magnesium, niacin, potassium, riboflavin, and zinc. And strawberry syrup, small amounts of A, B6, B12, and E. Real facts. People think food insecurity is only in big cities, but that is not true. 79% of the highest hunger rates are in rural areas. To learn more, you can visit us at jdhcdc.org. Let's give this a shot, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm going to take the strawberry for me. I'm sure you're not going to be upset.
Nope.
Okay. Because I love strawberries. Strawberry is good for you. All right, let's move this out the way. Move this out the way. And, well, we don't have to move it totally out the way. They may still want to see it. But anyway.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. And so, what I do, what a lot of people don't do, normally, I don't like the eggy taste of the French toast or it being kind of soggy, still left with liquid from the drench of the egg mixture.
Right.
After I brown it up on the skillet, the stovetop, I then put it in the oven for a few minutes.
Oh.
That way the egg can fully cook and it doesn't have to be soggy.
I need to ask you about that, but I just didn't get around to it. Yeah.
All right, well, I answered your question.
Yes, you did.
So let's go. Mmm. Nice and creamy.
Very good. Very good.
Mmm.
Taste it.
You can taste the graham crackers, right?
Yeah.
Which is like the base of a cream cheese cake, right?
Yeah.
A cheesecake, rather.
Yeah.
And you taste the strawberries.
Yes.
You taste definitely the creaminess of the cream cheese.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Very good.
Wow. Pretty good, pretty good, pretty good.
Another one. Good job.
Thank you, Kevin.
Yeah.
Well, I'm loving every bite of this.
Yes. Me too. Loving everybody.
So, here's our call to action. Don't forget to click the like button by giving us a virtual hug. When you do that, that lets myself, Kevin, and the rest of the team know that you're enjoying what we're putting out for you. It allows us to go back to the thinking lab and come up with new creative things for you. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. Well, we welcome you here with open arms and great big hugs. And hit that bell notification so you know every time we upload a new video. And if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe. And share this channel with your family and friends. They will appreciate it and thank you for it. I thank you for hanging out with me today. I really do appreciate it. If you do this French toast, or if you use another fruit and use still the base, let me know. Comment below and let me know what you did that was different or how it turned out for you. Here's a couple tips I'll give you really quick. When you want to put your cream mixture first and then sprinkle on your graham crackers. So I thank you again for hanging out. I love you guys and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah!